Bitcoin just pumped 10%. Forget about it. Let's talk about AI. So in POH, we have now MCP connectors, datasets, which means you can connect any skills, data, experience, knowledge to the network. So in POH, it's like torrent if you ever used it. So you can basically bring new things to the network, and more people joining the network, the more features and capabilities it has. So, why decentralized AI is important is simply because it's same situation like with financial systems. So Bitcoin brought decentralization to the financial systems. It lowered the transaction fees. For example, transfer of 1 million USD through bank transfer will cost you tens of thousands of dollars in fees, while in Bitcoin it's just like 1 USD. And I think same thing should happen with AI.